Hi guys, welcome back. I want to show you like a good something. Zit nou in de kamer te lekker kan je hier de films nou TV gaan kijken. Kan je nou TV laten decided om een video te maken. Ja, ik weet goed dat het wijs. Als paper squishy guys. My paper squishies. Ja, dat hier, daar gaat het weer naar staan. Daar gaat mijn This is my favorite paper squishy. My favorite paper squishy. And it's a smiley face. You guys can see it's a smiley face. And this one is super big, super squishy, and super soft. And it's a slow rise. It is a slow rise. Okay, that's one I always I give this one 10 out of 10. Then this one. Then I'm gonna take this one every day to school. So this one is boring because when you time at your work, like you said boring in the classroom. Then I can just play with this. You see, it's boring. It's boring. Yeah, then I have the snoring one. I sleep with this one. No? So as you can see, is snoring. Oh, now you can see snoring now. It's fine. But this one is not very squishy. So this one I'm rating 8 out of 10. This one is 5 out of 10. Then I have my weird one. That one has no tape, but it is super squishy, guys. I did put tape in the mother because it was broken. Yeah, it's this one I'm giving 9 out of 10. Last but not least, my smallest paper skitty. I don't use this one very much. He's weird, his face. Because this one is sad because I don't play every day with it. This one is 1 out of 10 because it's not so squishy, guys. So, bye! Oh, my paper squishies.